Well, David's Farm Rules wanted to see if we can do a cold start to Mercedes. It's been sitting since probably early October. What's before October? Or late September. It's the last time I started it when it ran out of gas. I got about 2.5 gallons of gas in the gas can and 3 batteries. I'm not sure which one still has to charge because I haven't charged any of them in a while. So let's see what happens. And I got some keys. Well, got one battery. This one's from my mom's '98 Ford Windstar. I got traded in for cash or clunkers, which I'm totally against. Pissed off. Really wanted to trash the van at Dave's Farm at some point, but oh well. Let's see if it still has a charge. Got the rest of my batteries down here just in case. Where are the keys? Oh, here they are. Let's see what happens. I put all the gas in I had. $8 worth. Got two, like 80 a gallon. Take it out of gear. It's totally out of gas. I'm going to pump the shit out of it. You guys like. Didn't put any gas in the carb, so let's see what happens. Oh, that sucks. Well, so I brought more batteries. Well, I got a new battery, and this one's from our old Volkswagen. Let's see what happens. I got more battery after this, so hopefully it works. Now it's from my old primer truck. Yours still gave me $300 with no battery, and no tailgate and all that stuff. Okay. Oh. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's better. It's cranking slow. Oh, fuck. Well, hopefully this one last battery's good. It's never let me down before. Never. So let's see what happens. I really need to get a battery charger so I don't have to worry about this happening. That battery's from an '83 Toyota truck I had. So, yeah. Why do I keep closing the door? That's a lot better. Don't smell any gas yet. Lines are completely dry. I'll fill up the carburetor bowl too. So. Don't want to flood it. You know what? I'm wondering if this thing has valve plugs. It does that sometimes. Oh, it's going. Chevy. It's smelling gas, so hopefully it's good now. I think I might have flooded it. It wants to go. If this battery goes to bad, I have one more in the Isuzu I can use, so it's no big deal. It wants to go. I think it has valve plugs though. Let me try something. I noticed the choke. I dumped some gas in the carburetor, and I noticed the choke wasn't opening up, so I put a screwdriver in there to open it up. So let's see what happens. It says we have gas, but the gas gauge is not right, so now I got a shitty battery. Well, just go clean the plugs. Just cleaned all the spark plugs. Half of them were oil valve, which didn't really surprise me. The engine's so worn out, and every time the engine sits for a while, it valves up the spark plugs. So let's try it again. Ooh, that's all it needed. Take the screwdriver out of the choke and see what happens. It fired right up after I cleaned the plugs. Come on, baby, you can do it. By the time she sits for a while, she's hard to start. Put some more gas. A little bit more gas in the car, but it should start a bit better now. Flooded the gas pedal this time. Come on. There we go. A little bit of smoke. What do you expect? Engine has over 300,000 miles on it. Sounds like it's even running on all the cylinders. Sweet. Well, I guess I'll put it back together a little bit later. Let it run. Oops. Dial's set up as far as it'll go, just, you know, carburetor's messed up, so gotta get a new one of those. That's a good alternator. Actually out over 13.5 volts, so charge the battery a bit. I switch them around, charge both ones. It actually has almost no shake to it. Looks like there's a lot of shake up here, but there's really not. Shouldn't rev it too much to get the oil back in the cylinders. Don't need to blow it up. This thing's a pain in the neck to start. Well, the video's probably gonna be over 10 minutes, so over and out.